today I am going to be reviewing this cream, Pawpaw. A lot of persons have been asking about this product. They want to know if you white things. Some will tell you want for me to give you knuckles. Some will say oh no. Some will say it's white things and so on and so forth. So you all know I will tell you the best. I will tell you how it is without being biased.
Everything.
Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I am Victoria Vick, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Pawpaw clarifying lotion and Pawpaw clarifying soap. I know a lot of you have been saying this product around Facebook and a lot of social media. Some people want to know if you like it, some people want to know if you give back knuckles, because some persons will tell you, oh no, it gives knuckles, some will say it's nice. So a lot of comments. Now this is my opinion, okay? You all know Video Every channel tells you the best. We review the best products and we tell you what works and what doesn't work, so you can make the right choice whenever you visit a cosmetic brand. Okay, now this is what you should know about lightening cream. If you're using a lightening cream and you go out under the sun every time, no matter how good that lightening cream is, that's what I've realized over the years. Okay, no matter how good that lightening cream is, it's gonna give you dark knuckles, because sun and a chemical creams does not work hand in hand, and then you end up condemning this cream. So what I will advise you to do, especially when using this Pawpaw cream, is that use the cream and the soap only at night. Okay, then in the morning you can use sweet almond oil when you are going out, because sweet almond oil contains natural contains SPF, okay, contains sun protection, and it helps to fight against sun rays and also protects your skin against sun damage. All right, so you can use sweet almond oil in the morning and use a natural soap in the morning. Then in the night before going to bed, you use your Pawpaw cream. What you gonna see or expect when using this product is, number one, it will tone you understand, it lightens the skin, but not in a bleaching way. Why I like these two products especially is that it even your skin gradually, like it tones your skin gradually. You will not even feel like you're toning or you're bleaching, but you just see yourself that you're getting brighter. And so far so good. I haven't noticed it doesn't give stretch mark. It doesn't give stretch mark. For those of you that I think gives you knuckles, don't be using them. Don't be using the products and the entry sun. Be using them in the night before you sleep. Okay guys, in conclusion, what are you going to be expecting when you are using Pawpaw cream and soap? Expect a glowing skin. Expect a lighting complexion, like your skin tone will be lighter. Also expect a blended skin, as long as you take my instruction by using it only at night, and forget the oil they are showing out there. Don't buy the oil. This too is already enough, because that oil may actually whiten you too fast and give you knuckles. I'm not saying that oil gives knuckles. I'm just telling you that you shouldn't force your skin to whiten fast. Take it step by step, gradually. Then when you see that you're not even, your complexions are balanced, you can add oil to get to the next whitening phase. So sweethearts, this product is nice. As at the time I'm making this video, that is what I'm using. That's what I'm using as at the time I am making this video. So if you're thinking of buying it, go ahead and buy it. It's a beautiful product. Okay, for now it's a beautiful product, and when you're buying it, please ensure you buy it in a place that's all original. That's it. Is there another thing I noticed about this product? I also noticed that it balances both all the skin, like it make your skin very balanced. You will love your skin when you're using it. That's all I can say. It does not whiten you like fast in bleaching. It tones you gradually, little by little. Okay guys, so that is all about Pawpaw clarifying lightening lotion. If there's any question, please drop it in the comment section. With our big channel reviews the best products to you, and we tell you what works and we tell you what doesn't work. Okay, remember to use the product at night to avoid complaining like others. Some people also say that it makes them dark. If you buy the fake one, it will make you dark. So when you're buying products, ensure you buy original, so that you will get the same result every other person is getting. These products, at least the positive result outweighs the negative at the moment. So if you're thinking of a lightening cream at the moment, you can consider getting this product. You will love it. Again, some people, because they want to whiten fast, they have Pawpaw oil, Pawpaw clarifying oil. So some persons will just buy it and pour everything inside, even when they know that they are very dark. So when immediately they start using it with the oil, it will make them fair. It will make them fair fast, and that will give you knuckle. If you're black before you want to tone your skin, start gradually. You can buy only the soap and cream, and as it's making you fair little by little, when you've not gotten fair, well, you can now add the oil to boost it, but not to start from scratch with your black and start using big lightning oil. You will get knuckles. So even particularly I would advise yourself to forget about the oil. Buy these two products alone and use them only at night. One thing I like about it is that it balances the complexion. It does not give maybe here is fair, here is dark. It blends your skin tone and uniforms. It gives you a uniform complexion. Again, I also noticed really this cream glows the skin. It gives you a natural glow. As at when I'm making this video, this is the product I am using. This is what I'm using. So Paw Paw lightning cream is nice. Okay, it's nice, and it doesn't give stretch mark, it doesn't give knuckles. It balances the skin tone, it whitens the skin, not in a bleaching way. It tones you, like gradually it tones you until you become fair, and it also glows the skin. I will tell you that this product is nice at the moment, because you know what I'm saying at the moment. The one thing about good products most times is that when people see that it's good, they start producing fake of it, and when you end up buying fake of the product, you now say this product is not working. There are a lot of people now full market. So I would advise you that when you want to buy it, go to where they sell the original and purchase it. Paw Paw cream and the Paw Paw soap is beautiful on the skin. I love it. Just look at it. Just look at how it makes my skin look. It's beautiful, trust me. Look at it. So for now it's been awesome. Okay, and you can see I've been using the soap. I use them only at night. That's why it's still much though. I have other soap and oil I use in the morning. Okay, and although my skin wasn't glowing this way before I started using it, right? Which cream did I use last? Okay, I used that vitamin E prime rose oil. I used SBC evening prime rose oil last. That made me dark. I told you guys in the video, right? So this is this product, and that's what if you want to fair and you're looking for a natural whitening cream or soap that will lighten you, consider giving this one a try. It will be nice, and I want you to catch your review. I want you to tell me how it feels like when you're using it. If you've used it before, I want you to drop your comment, tell us, so that you can also help other people who are aspiring to get it. And if you're still considering if you should get it or not, make sure you want to be fair before buying it. If you're dark and you want to retain your dark skin, don't buy it too, because it will make you fair. But if you're dark and you want to be fair or lighter, you can buy it so that you can bring out your skin tone. Okay, if you're naturally fair, you can still use it. If you're tone, you can use it. If you want to tone, you can use it. All right, this. So okay, that's what we say. That's how it is. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have to go. See you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I love you. Bye.